You have a few prospects that are showing interest into your business, and now you want to know how to get them to join. Should you let your prospects join your business just because they are interested? What if you never recruited anyone before, and this will be one of your first prospects to join you in business? In this video, I'm going to talk about how to deal with your prospects so that you can recruit the right people into your business, and I'm going to do that right now. Hey there, what is going on? Usifiso Mhlongwa here, Njomanega Mkapi, and welcome to another quick tip video. If you want to learn how to grow your network marketing business or anything else that's related to network marketing, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified when a new video is published. And if you are on mobile, you can just use the link on the video description below to subscribe. You know, a lot of people are so eager to recruit someone into their business that when they find someone who's interested, they'll tell them anything to get them to join, or they let them join with wrong expectations. But what do I mean by that? For an example, your prospect might want to join because they want to make 60,000 rands a month by next month. But when you ask them how much time they can commit every week towards making 60,000 rands a month, let's say just about 5 hours per week. You know, some people would allow their brand new prospects who never had any success in network marketing to join, knowing that they won't be able to make that kind of money only working 5 hours a week. Or they let them join at the lowest package, knowing that everyone who has ever made 60,000 rands a month has joined at the highest package. If you're allowing your prospects to join with these false expectations, then you are lying to them. You know, these are the people who usually make scam claims because they join with false expectations. You know, the first thing you need to do with your prospect is to find out what they expect and what their goals are when they get into this business. When I say find out what they expect, I mean what kind of results are they expecting and in what time. When you know the results that they are expecting, you can tell them the actions that they need to take to get those results. If they are not willing to follow those actions that will get them the results that they are looking for, be a leader and let them know clearly that they either need to raise their actions to meet their expectations, or they need to lower their expectations to match their actions. Another mistake that I see people make is that they try to put their goals on their prospects. They think that everybody wants what they want. For an example, you might want to earn 1 million rands. You might want to have a huge team. You know, you might want to live in a mansion, or you might want to own a private jet and speak on stage. But your prospects might not want all of that. And if you are trying to push them to get those things, you might make them quit and not join your business. You know, some people might just want to be a customer and use the products. It's important that you understand who you are speaking to. Ask them what their goals are instead of assuming that they want the same thing as you. Now, if you find a prospect that wants to build a business and make money from it, you need to lay out a plan for him on how to get what they want. Also, let them know what to expect when they are building their business. Ask them, are you easily influenced by the opinions of others? I've never had anyone answer yes to this question. They always say no. After they answer that question, let them know that people are going to tell them they are involved in a pyramid scheme. Let them know that a lot of people that they know won't join their business or buy their products. If your company has any problems, let them know about it before they hear it from someone else or read it online. If you do this, they'll be prepared and less likely to quit the business. Oh, and one last thing. If you want to encourage people who don't want to build a business, encourage them and not force them to get to a company event. Company events usually inspire people in ways that you and I can't. So in conclusion, you always want to be honest and upfront with your prospects, even if you never sponsored anyone before. Be a leader and let your prospects know what is required before they join your business so that they can get the results that they want. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when a new video is published, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.